So how can you figure out Pythagorean Theorem proof? A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Well, there's this proof that says that if we take a perpendicular line through here and we would set this as a right angle, we would have three triangles that all have the similar shape, but they would be different sizes. So the hypotenuse would be different sizes, but it would still follow that each one of these has the same angles. Well, we can use this information to set some proof. So we know that the length of AC on our big triangle is the same as this length here, which is DC, and that's equal to the hypotenuse of the big one over the hypotenuse of the very small one. And also, we could take a look at this length here is the same as this length here. So that would be AB over BD is the same as the hypotenuse again of BC for the large one versus this middle-sized one, which is going to be AB. We can cross multiply these two expressions and we will get AC squared is equal to BC times DC. And also, that AB squared is equal to BC times BD. Well, we know that the length of AC is the same as A. The length of AB is the same as B. So since we have A squared, we can say A squared plus B squared is equal to this value, which is going to be BC times DC plus BC times BD. Simplifying that out, we can factor out a BC, so we get DC plus BD. And we know that BC is the hypotenuse, which we call C, and that C to D plus B to D is another length of C. So we have C times C, so therefore A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared.